Hi there, we are Group 31. My name is Oliver, this is Vanessa, Kelvin, and the background is Brooke. Our project is to develop an educational puzzle game to teach children, roughly aged between 7 and 11, about internet safety. This game aims to teach kids about safe searching online, recognising unsafe situations such as malicious links online, and to report issues to a trusted adult. We hope to create a game that helps children learn in a fun and engaging way. The project will have 3 types of mini-games across different themes to create an engaging and fun experience. Ness will talk about our progress so far.
So our project so far, we have 2 prototype mini games. We have a main menu and game selection. Our planned themes are a jungle, which will be revolving around safe searching, detective, which will be about reporting content, and then castle will be about privacy online. So why we've chosen to do this, so we've got gamified learning which increases engagement, addresses real world risks in a non-intimidating way, and then each theme is a different type of risk. And then what we have discovered, so kids enjoy being rewarded, and then the themes make the lessons more memorable and fun.
So our project is web-based and it runs on the web browser. And as you can see, we've got the screen containers set up for the homepage, mini-games and completion. This is where we link the P5 library and the sound library. In here we have the base functionality of our quiz, which uses our P5 library. We chose P5 as its open source tool with a large community. So it caters to web game development and allows us some creative freedom for the project as it's accessible to learn. We use the CSS for the styling, for the notifications and the buttons, which pop up when needed. This is our JSON database, which contains all of the questions, the written questions of our quiz. We chose JSON because it's scalable and easy to add questions later on. So here's the quiz so far. It has 2 buttons for the quiz and the matching game. To start off, we're going to show the matching quiz. So we've only just set it up, it's not functional yet. But what it's supposed to do is match 2 of the images on the board and then give the player a point. And then for the quiz, so basically it gives you a question which is randomized from the database. And if you get it right, it'll show up green and take you to the next question. And if you get it wrong, then you'll have a pop-up come up and it'll make you answer it again, as you can see here. And it will make you go through the entire quiz and give you your score at the very end, show how well you've done.
For the results, so far we have implemented a functional minigame and a semi-functional one for the mix and match quiz, as Brooke just demonstrated. We have also created a large question bank with a wide range of questions using JSON. And for the next steps, we plan to make the mix and match quiz fully functional and develop a 3rd minigame, which is a wall defense game focused on privacy. We'll also expand the question bank by adding a privacy section. And then we plan on implementing a reward system for every correct answer you get in the quizzes. And lastly, we'll introduce more designs and apply more various themes to each minigame. So for the GDT, we have backgrounds for each minigame. So for the first minigame, which is the jungle, it's just a simple background scrolling as the player moves around, and it stops occasionally as the questions pop up. And then it continues to scroll to make it seem like the player is moving forward. The other two is just static. For the detective, you'd be given a report about malicious links, and the question would just pop up. The castle defense is you'll have time to answer questions. If you get them correct, it will build up your defense, and if you get them wrong or the timer runs out, the enemy will get stronger and you'll lose your defense.